Introducing the Dash Hot Air Popcorn Popper Maker in a stylish aqua color. With its quick and easy operation, making hot and fresh popcorn has never been simpler. Just measure your kernels using the included measuring cup, add them to the heating chamber, and push the one-touch start button. In just minutes, you'll have 16 cups of delicious popcorn ready to enjoy. What's great about this popcorn maker is its healthier approach. Say goodbye to oil and added preservatives from microwave bags. This machine uses hot air to pop your kernels, making it perfect for parties, gatherings, or a cozy night in without the guilt. But that's not all. The included measuring cup also doubles as a butter melting tray. Simply add a tablespoon of butter while your popcorn pops and pour once melted for that authentic movie theater style taste. Compact and stylish, this popcorn maker is a must-have for any kitchen. Whether you're in a first apartment, a college dorm, or traveling in your camper, this sleek machine will fit right in. And with easy cleanup and simple operation, it's no wonder customers love it. With high ratings for easy cleaning, ease of use, flavor, and value for money, the Dash Hot Air Popcorn Popper Maker is the perfect addition to your kitchen. So why wait? Grab yours now and take your popcorn experience to the next level. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful or enjoyable, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Smash that like button and hit subscribe for all updates.